In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Shippo to WooCommerce. By the end, your WooCommerce orders will flow straight into Shippo, so you can buy labels and manage tracking in one place, with updates sent back to your store automatically. First, sign into your Shippo account. From the dashboard, head to Settings, then open the Stores section. This is where all of your storefront connections live. In the list of available platforms, select WooCommerce. You'll see an option to continue the connection process. Click the button to connect your store. When Shippo asks for your store URL, enter the base URL of your WooCommerce site. That means the main address that a customer would type into a browser without any extra paths. Avoid adding anything like WP admin, or query strings. For example, use something like yourstore.com or yourstore.com/shop, if that's your main public storefront, and include HTTPS if that's how your site is accessed. Keeping this clean ensures Shippo can talk to your store without hiccups. Before you proceed, make sure your site is live and not in maintenance mode. Maintenance or coming soon pages can block the connection, since Shippo needs to reach your store to authenticate and sync orders. Also confirm that your WooCommerce plugin is up to date. Version 2.6 or newer is required. Updating WooCommerce isn't just for compatibility. It also helps keep your store secure and stable during integrations. Once the connection is successful, your WooCommerce orders will automatically import into Shippo. Open the Orders page in Shippo and you'll see them appear, marked with a Woo icon so you can quickly identify their origin. This automation saves you from manual copy and paste and helps keep fulfillment organized, especially when volume picks up. From there, you can create shipping labels directly in Shippo. Choose your package details, select the carrier and service that fits your budget and delivery window, and generate the label. After you ship, Shippo will sync the fulfillment status and tracking information back to WooCommerce. That means your store reflects the shipment automatically, and your team can stay focused on preparing orders instead of updating statuses. If something doesn't connect on the first try, double-check that the URL is the correct base domain, confirm your site isn't in maintenance mode, and verify your WooCommerce version meets the requirement. A quick review of those details usually resolves most connection issues. That's it. Your Shippo and WooCommerce accounts are now working together to streamline your shipping workflow. Thanks for watching, and happy shipping.